Hello everybody, so today I'm just gonna make the solution for the RGB keyboard not working on Linux. So basically if we do X set LED on, it won't show any RGB on your keyboard, as well as if we do X set LED 3. So here what we did was to name the LED. So we have given scroll lock as well as the norm lock, so we can do like it. And I have tested it again, so here I have not got it. So basically what I did next is to go down over here. So I have where is that? I don't have it. So here I tried to use this command, but it was not working because it's my Arch Linux. So basically there is no package regarding this brightness. So scroll lock, we can do Fn plus and this is scroll lock. So if we just do, so here you can see I have done is sudo kb d underscore mode dash u. So here what I have is error. The keyboard is in some unknown mode. Change to request mode may require your keyboard to user key on user. So I was getting an error, right? So we need to use dash f to force the change. So here we have unknown keyboard. So for this to work, we do sudo kbd underscore mode dash u f. So this will force this keyboard in Unicode. So next is it's working. So if we just do kbd dash u, so I tried to do it again, so output was nothing. So next what I did is to search this. So now we have the keyboard is in Unicode, and if we just do INXI, so I have this Manjaro and we have 64 bits and XFCE. I was looking for keyboard configuration, so it was not showing at all. So here you can see sudo show key, so it will show you the key. So key, this is our key, and that HEL, and it's a Unicode. So next one is I was checking the TTY session. So here it was not using anything. So if it's using it, so this would be the command to check the TTY keyboard. So it is responsive and showing the Unicode WTF-8. I was looking for keyboard configuration, so it was not showing at all. So here you can see sudo show key, so it will show you the key. So here I have installed the packages called xkeycap. So here I've done it, so it will show the key map. And here if your check if your non lock is working through the terminal or not, so we can do non lock x on, and we can do on off, or if it's not working then you can do this toggle, then you can control on or off. First do non lock x toggle, then it will indicate on your keyboard, it will light up. Then we can do non lock x off, so toggle. So if here I have done it, let's get down. So here after I have done that, right, so after doing that it's working on my keyboard. Thank you.